What if every day started with some music, some sound, and every day started with some movement, and some tears, and some laughter, and some sadness, and some grief, and some belief that life can be this good. How lucky are we? How lucky am I to be doing exactly what I'm doing, exactly where I'm meant to be doing it, with exactly who I'm meant to be doing it with. Woo! Quick secret for those of you who stuck around to the end. Right before this, I was in this exact position and took a shit in the woods. I don't think I've ever done that before. So, no one saw me. Right at sunrise. This is your invitation to take a shit in the woods and see how it feels.